The magic of our Footpegs is they can be produced separately.
The adapter, the peggers, assemble them together.
Yes, the adapter is fitting for different models, and the pegs can be customized into different designs, like Harley Widen type. The basic design is hollowed, so they are very lightweight.
Let's check out the weight. One pair is around 0.32 kilograms.
Yes, so light. But what I really like is the big platform. The width of the pegs is around 57 millimeters, and the length of the Footpegs is around 90 millimeters. So nice and a good platform. And you can see these teeth.
We prepare two type teeth.
Yes, the type 1 is very sharp. It is really attractive, and it is with better skid resistance. Another is flat type. It can increase the stress area and make your foot more comfortable.